Welcome to our nice, gentle, 10-minute, low-impact walking workout. Why are we not already moving? I don't know. Let's do it. Little toe tap just to start. As always, modify every workout to suit your needs. Pick up the pace when you want. Slow it down. I'm just going nice and gentle today. Just want to boost my mood. Just by saying it, I did it. Elevate my energy. Get the blood flowing. We're going to build strength, balance, flexibility today. Those things are going to take time. We keep showing up every day, and we will increase our strength and mobility. So many more things when we show up every day. It's not about perfection. It's just about continuing to show up day in, day out. That consistency, which leads to discipline, momentum over motivation. I love it. Just like movement over medicine. Let's just find ways to be more active. Just tap. The arm swing. Let's try to connect our breath to each movement today. Be real focused, real mindful in everything we do. Walking becomes so glorious when we're truly mindful. Okay, a couple more. Yeah. Just a little side step. Increasing our range of motion. More mobility, strengthening other muscles that we don't normally use when we walk forward. It's important to move dynamically. Okay. One more here. Okay. Let's step forward. Arm sweep. Just taking our steps. How many steps can we get in today? A few more than you did yesterday. How about that? Wayne Dyer, one of my great teachers. Nobility is not being better than anyone else. It's just being a little bit better than you were yesterday. That's a nice goal we can set. I think we can get up to that 7,000 or so steps a day. It seems to be where the magic is. Okay. Just find a flow. And one more. Brilliant. Okay, let's shake that out. Okay, let's see if we can't increase our flexibility. So we're going to step, cross body walk. Slowly but surely sink a little deeper into the cross and see if you can't get a bit more of a twist. If you need to stand up more, it's just sort of like this. I get it. Just getting started on your fitness journey, getting that back loose can be a challenge. I understand. I've been there. Just slowly but surely, when we keep showing up, we're going to be stronger, more flexible, more mobile, just day by day. 1% better. Whatever that means, eh? Just small improvements. Small steps lead to big change. Okay, just find the flow in this. I like this. Connect to the breath. Ooh, maybe head up. It's all right. Couple more. Oh, brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. I'm just gonna do just a nice light side shuffle. Getting the arms involved. Again, you feel like increasing the pace, get going. I'm just moving nice and slowly today. I found the one piece of ice left in the whole city of Helsinki to wipe out my bike yesterday. I'm feeling a little battered. I went down pretty hard. Life is just full of wonderful lessons and experiences. But again, you just do you. Find what works for you. Find the movement you enjoy. Just keep coming back to that. Just move more often. Okay. Let's take our walk. Breath-focused walk. It's just a couple steps and then back. Notice how the balance goes when you go really slowly, but just bring all your attention into each step. Looking forward, real integrity, real intention with each movement. One more. Back and forward. Walking meditation can be an amazing way to really bring gratitude and appreciation for walking. Okay. Step back. Not going into a lunge, just stepping back. Swing your arms, head up high, looking forward. Again, see if you can't connect the breath to the movement. One breath can make all the difference. Negative thought, toxic thought, notice it. Breathe, just relax and release. The mind is a thought-making machine. Notice, let that toxic thought pass by. Replace it with I am enough, I am strong. Couple more. How's that? Let's just finish with our walk. Maybe we pick up the pace just a bit. Brisk walk. This is all my knees allowing right now. I still feel good. I'm not pushing anything. I'm not in pain. I'm just a little sore. Be very mindful. If you need a break, you take a break. If you need a day, you take a day. Listen to your body. Be so conscious and aware. Encourage an evening walk today, 10 minutes. Get out there after your last meal. Go for that 10 minutes, 1,000 steps or so. Just see how much better you sleep, how much better you feel, how much clearer your mind is. Gets us away from our devices, possibly. Hallelujah. Real conscious breath. And out. Let's just absorb everything we've just taken in. Standing mountain pose. Just breathe. Just be. Just feel the totality of your body. All the sensations. The mind will wander. We just bring it back again and again. One real conscious breath in and out. Shake it all out. Yes. Oh, thank you for showing up. Thank you for continuing to show up so I can continue to do this. I feel amazing now. I hope you do too. Continue to show up for yourself and great things will happen in time. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.